trading this week might not be as easy as it was last week. And of course, and it could be easier, who knows. But last week, I had all those 20 accounts, but I didn't trade them all. I only traded 7. 13 I never touched. This week, I'll probably trade all 20. I might not, but I think I will. Once you pass that evaluation, you have to deal with this. You sign some papers and things along that line. Agree to some things. You have to make a decision here on this monthly fee. Now you can pay, at least in this case here, $105 each month per account. 20 accounts. Do the math. Or you can pay, at least in my case, because mine are 25K accounts, $150 one time. Now they call it account lifetime, but it's good for 10 years, and then a penny for each 10 years, I guess, after that. So I'd call it lifetime too. There were some people that were saying, "Oh, don't pay the $150, just pay the $100." And they came up with all sorts of reasons. One of them was, you might blow the account. Well, I'd be more concerned about blowing the account than I would be some measly little $50. I'd work on that problem first. If you ever now everybody's different, but if you ever went to one of these compound interest sites, you can put the figures in there and you can see exactly, the dollars and cents of it. If you have to make $1,600 the first month, first payout period, to get a withdrawal. You have to make $1,600. $1,600 divided by 25,000 in my case is a little over 6%. So in other words, you have to make 6% in 2 weeks. That's not all that easy. You get 2 payouts per month. So you're thinking you're going to make 12 to 13%. That's what it would work out to in a month. 6% is not easy. 12 to 13 is darn hard. Take that 100 and put it in the initial investment, and I put interest rate at 6% because you sure don't want to calculate it out at 12 or 13 for 10 years. And remember, you have every month, if you don't pay that lifetime, you're paying $100 every month per account. Put that in and run that and see how much. I mean, the difference between $150 one time and $100 for 10 month for 10 years. I mean, there's no point in even hardly talking about that. And here's where I would say in a 25K account, I paid the $150, by the way. 25K account, you have to make $2,600 because you have to leave $100 in there, and then the maximum you can draw out the first 2 or 3 times, or maybe some amount of times, I don't know, is $1,500, and maybe first 3 months or something is $1,500. That's the max you can draw out. You can draw it out twice monthly, and you might have to you might be limited to that $1,500 for 3 months, and then after that you can whatever you want to make. But it's not going to be easy to make $1,500. It's not easy for me. Might be for you. Not easy for me. And like I said, next week, from looking at the charts, it don't look like it's going to be an easy week to begin with. You're going to earn your money if you make 6% next week. But we'll find out. I'll probably trade them all 20, and I'll post it on enivids site, what I make or lose or whatever. And that's enough losing.